Basta balita at musika, ibandera mo. 107.1 Radio Bandera, Olongapo.
Basta radyo, ibandera mo. Basta radyo, ibandera mo.
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
107.1 News FM, Olongapo City, Radyo Bandera. Hey, what up, Olongapo City? My beautiful city of Olongapo. Good evening. Ang saya, ang sarap ng gabi, no? Oo, hindi mainit, hindi rin naman malamig masyado. Medyo nawawala na ng konti yung kalamigan, ano? Na ano daw nahuli na, naaresto na si Elsa. Mamaya share ko yung picture. Inaresto ng pulis si Elsa yung sa Frozen, no? Kaya medyo, pansin nyo, medyo nabawasan na yung lamig. Uy, shout out muna sa mga tropa natin nasa live stream. Hi you guys, hi! Nandiyan pala kayo, di nyo naman sinasabi. Si Ate Michelle Villegas, or Shell. Ayan, good evening. Alright, pati na rin si Ate Tess Hernandez. All the way from Fukuyama, Japan. Wow! Naimas! Hindi Japan. Ilocano pala yun. Sorry. Paano na nga ba yun? Domo arigato. Domo arigato for always tuning in. But yeah, everybody there in Japan. Good evening. Magandang gabi. Alright. And who else do we gotta greet? Sino pa ba? Yung mga kailangan nating i-greet na nasa live stream ngayon. Happy listening po sa inyong lahat. Nandiyan sino ba? Si Ate Elma Robles. Yan. Ate Elma Robles, good evening sa iyo. Okay. Mga neighbor natin dati yan sa doon sa Fendler Street Extension. Wow. Okay. Mga taga Fendler Street. Speaking of Fendler Street, Zugba Grill. Hindi siya nasa Fendler Street. Pero malapit, no? Nasa, na sila ngayon. Ang Zugba Grill po ay nasa number 81, Quezing Street, New Calalaki, Olongapo City. Madali lang puntahan yung Quezing. Ayan. Alam niyo yung nasa likod ng yung, di ba meron diyang supermarket na Jollibee along Magsaysay Drive. Meron din yung McDonald's din, di ba? May McDonald's. Yung sa likod nun, yun, doon banda yung bungad papuntang Quezing Street, no? Yung likod ng yung tinatawag nilang other side ng Magsaysay. parallel street ng Magsaysay, no? Sa kabila. Okay? So check out the Konghei Fachoy Prosperity Feast. Kahapon yung Chinese New Year, pero available pa siguro to. Pwede pa naman, Tama ba, Ate Pam? You let me know, kung available pa rin to. The Happy Chinese New Year Feast. Busy and no time to cook for Chinese New Year? Tapos na. Well, just order and relax. Pwede pa rin yatang order, Celebrate the season of abundance with our freshly grilled barbecue, premium seafood, party-ready trays, and bilao made to order, never frozen. Alright? Ayun, yung sinasabi ko kanina, di ba? Let it go. Let it go. Frozen, And delivered hot and ready. Straight to your table. Okay? From family gatherings, group celebrations, hanggang last-minute handaan, we grill, sabi niya, di ba? We grill. Prepare and deliver so you can focus on welcoming luck, blessings, and good fortune this new year. Right? So, visit their Facebook page. Yan, look up na lang, Zugba Grill. Okay? You may also call or text for inquiry 0916-582-8999. Alright? Zugba Grill. Super legit sarap since 2016. Ay, oo nga, since 10 years na, 2026 na, Alam niyo, ang business daw, pag umabot na ng 10 years, talagang well-established na yan, Kilalang kilala na ng tao. So, more blessings to come sa inyo dyan, sa mga kaibigan natin sa Zugba Grill. Okay? And check out the PhilHealth Yakap para malayo sa sakit, schedule and location. Ito po yung PhilHealth Yakap program na nag-iikot sa mga bawat barangay, Iniikot ng ating mga namumuno sa LGU natin. Libreng check-up, updating at registration sa PhilHealth, pagdagdag ng dependents, sagot sa mga katanungan tungkol sa kontribusyon at benepisyo. Okay? So, ito po yung schedule, This coming February 19 bukas, sa Kalaklan sila, Venue is at the covered court ng Kalaklan. And then susunod, February 26, Mabayuan covered court. Abot na tayo sa March, March 3, West Bahak-Bahak. Uy, sa amin! Covered court. West Bahak-Bahak venue. Okay? March 5, New Kababae. Lahat to puro covered court eh. Lahat ng barangay naman natin merong covered court, no? March 5, New Kababae. March 10, New Ilalim. March 12, Banikain. 13, Santa Rita. March 17, Barreto. March 19, Kalalaki. March 24, Pag-asa. March 26, East Tapinac. March 27, Gordon Heights. March 31, East Bahak-Bahak. Kumpletuhin na natin. April 7, umabot pa ng April, no? Asinan. April 14, West Tapinac. So, sabi ng Americans na nandito noon, nung may military base pa, Tapinac. East Tapinac. West Tapinac. Hindi nyo na yung generation, hindi nyo na inabot yun, no? Ayan, the PhilHealth Yakap para malayo sa sakit program, okay? And also, we'd like to invite you, the Alab Sining 2026 Painting Competition. The Olongapo City LGU is inviting you to join the National Arts Month Painting Contest and show the city what you've got, okay? If you love creating arts that represents Olongapo's vibe, culture, and stories, this one's for you, all right? Come through, paint your heart, and be part of something creative, fun, and very Olongapo, okay? This is our opportunity to showcase your creativity, all right? The competition will be held at SM City Olongapo Central, where talent, passion, and local pride comes together, okay? The Alab Sining 2026 Painting Competition. Deadline for registration is until February 20. Malapit na ha, 12 p.m. Okay, and here are the prizes at stake. Okay, champion, 30,000 pesos. Wow! Second place, 20,000. Third place, 10,000 pesos plus 7 consolation prizes of 3,000 each. All right, on February 21, 2026 at the second level of SM City Olongapo Central. All right. So join yung mga artists natin diyan, mga Pet Malu, mag-painting, no? Okay? This is part of the actually for those who don't know, February kasi is Art Month. Hindi art. Art. Ang Arte Month. Yeah. Okay. And speaking of which, meron pa, no? The Art Fiesta is taking over at the Subic Bay Mini Golf Course within the waterfront park for 3 days. Puro art ito, no? Feb 27, 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Feb 28, March 1 to March 1, 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. February 28 and March 1. Okay? An outdoor art market featuring local artists from Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales all in one spot. Okay? So, shop art prints, stickers, accessories, paintings, and handmade crafts. Plus, jump into the fun with clay pottery workshop and hands-on activities. Okay? Bring your friends, walk the market, try an activity, and support local markets or local makers. So, see you there. Okay? Again, Feb 27, 28, and March 1. For those who don't know, magkakasunod po yon 27, 28. Hanggang 28 lang yung February. March 1. Kasunod pa rin yon